At DIY Auto Repair Shops, we're proud to introduce a new concept in automobile maintenance, created to save you a lot of money over the inflated costs of dealers and traditional repair shops. Visitors to our professional facility have the opportunity to choose from a variety of repair options, from do-it-yourself to we fix it together or we fix it for you. Want to perform your own repair or maintenance service on your car? Do it yourself in one of our 8 clean, climate-controlled service bays. The savings over traditional repair shop labor rates and fees is significant. Each bay is equipped with everything you need to get the job done right, including a hydraulic lift, a workbench, a full complement of tools, and disposal containers, even a flat-screen TV so you can catch the game. A DIY technician is available to help diagnose a problem and to provide advice and guidance throughout the repair. Our technician will also assist with any specialty tools like our on-car brake lathe, tire and wheel machines, or a hydraulic press for bearings. Working side by side with a repair professional allows you to complete the job successfully and more quickly, saving you money in the long run. Don't want to do it yourself, or the job is too complicated? Our ASE certified master technicians can fix it for you. We also offer a variety of free classes every weekend on general automotive repair, brakes, and other topics. Call for an appointment today at DIY Auto Repair Shops, where you can do it yourself, we can fix it together, or we can fix it for you, and where you can always save a lot of money on auto repair.